Birds. Do birds eat poop? Yes, many birds eat poop, including their own. The chicks' fecal sacs and the feces of other. Uh, this behavior serves to regain lost nutrients, keep nests clean from predators, bacteria, and adapt their gut microbiome to new diets. Parent birds specifically eat baby poop to recycle nutrients during early nesting. How can I tell if I see a crow or a blackbird? Asked by Roblox and no one to tell a crow from a male blackbird. Look at size, beak color, and behavior. Crows are large, 16 to 21 inches, with all black, sharp beaks in the calling call. Male blackbirds, such as the common blackbird, are smaller, 9 to 11 inches, featuring a bright yellow beak and a yellow eye. Do birds sing? Yes, duh. Duh? A duh? Asked by my cousin. Yes, many birds sing to communicate, primarily to attract mates and defend their territory, using a specialized organ called a syrinx. Birds, birds produce complex metallic, metallic vocalizations, often during the spring breeding season and during the early morning dawn chorus. Songs are distinct from shorter, simpler calls for useful alarms. What is the last? No. Oh my! What is the first and last species I've found? Asked by Totally Weird Shalamuck. For many years, whatever that says, was considered the oldest known bird, roughly 150 million years old, after its discovery in Germany in 1861. However, recent fossil findings, particularly from China, have provided provided anyway, so new contentors. Whatever that says, discovered in 2013, this species from the late Jurassic is considered by many in the sciences for more vassal bird species than. How can I not? Whatever. Lived at a similar time to Earth and also predates. Whatever that. What? Anyways, it had feathers on its legs and arms. We're just call it the winter chicken. It's always the winter chicken. We love them. Known as the winter chicken, this is the oldest known uncontested fossil of a modern bird, dating that's before the mass extinction event that killed non-avian dinosaurs. The last species of bird found recently extinct / discovered. That's all from its first species. Last often refers to species recently discovered in fossil records or species that have gone extinct in modern history, particularly since 1500. We're just Karo oo Mohobractatus, I think, frequently studied as one of the last remaining members of the unique motherhood family. It was declared extinct after its final recorded sound in 1987. Subtonic Rayadito, Rayadito, um, described in 2020. This is a very recently discovered species found on a remote Chilean island. Salty masked dinamu. A new species of birds described in 2026, discovered in the Amazon mountains. Anyway, slender-billed curlew, numerous tensor, declared extinct by birding organizations in late 2024, with official classification following in October 2025. No, and found often refers to the discovery of the fossil in the rock layer geological time, while in morphology it refers to a living species was identified by scientists. What happens when we get chased? Asked by my school friend. When chased by birds, you are experiencing mobbing. A defensive behavior where birds protect nest or young from predators. They will likely swoop, dive bomb, and make loud calls to drive you away. While imitating, this is usually temporary and aimed at making you leave the territory.